Hi guys, and welcome to this training. In this training, we'll be adding a call button into your website, and I'll show you how you can choose any numbers you want, how you can customize the text, and where you can place them in your website, and also where you don't want to place in your website. I'll show you everything step by step. Now, before we start with this training, guys, I would like to request you guys to subscribe to my channel so you guys don't miss any quality videos I upload on my YouTube, and hit that bell notification so you don't miss anything I upload on YouTube. So let's get on with this training. Call button. A call button is basically a button that you can add on any page you want, or on your main page that people can directly press this button and it goes into your mobile phone or your landline or anywhere, whatever the phone number you want to add. So we're going to go ahead and go into plugins, and then we're going to go ahead and go add new, and then search for WP call button. Alright guys, as you can see over here, we got a WP call button. Install now. Installed, and just click activate. Once you've activated, go into your settings, and then you'll see WP call button. Click into that. Right, here are the settings for your call button. So what you need to do is you need to call now button to activate or active, keep it active. Here you can choose your phone number, choose wherever the country you're from. I'm just going to put a random number here. I'm going to leave that as that. You can type in any text you want. You can put call us, call now, or call for help, anything you want. You can choose where you want your button to appear, to bottom right, bottom center, bottom left, or full width. Okay. You can choose the color of the button, whatever the color of the button you want that to be. You can choose that color. Right, here's the important bits, guys. So the call button visibility, at default it's on everywhere, but I don't want it to be on everywhere because some of the page are affiliate page, and I don't want that to be on my affiliate pages. So what you can do is you can just show only on certain posts, hide on certain posts. You can customize how you want to. So you can click on to show on certain post, then just enter 3 words of your maybe welcome. Shows over here welcome page. I'm going to add to welcome page. As you can see over here, you can also hide. If you show onto everywhere, or if you show on everywhere, you can hide on certain posts. If you want to, you can do that way. So you can put on all site, and then just choose which pages that you don't want them to be on. I hope that makes sense. As I've shown over here, I've chosen a welcome page on my home page, and then a show call button only on mobile devices. You can choose only mobile device as you want to, because the call button only will appear on mobile, hence why it needed on a mobile when people are browsing on mobile phone. Just for the video purposes, I'm going to take this out just to show how it will look like on this website, and go ahead and click save changes. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and open my welcome page. Now as you can see over here, guys, there's a call button right there on the bottom right. You can choose wherever you want that to be. Obviously it's not advisable to put on the desktop. It's best to be advised to be on a mobile phone. Alright guys, I hope that makes sense. You can add various different things if you want to. You can even add messaging service. I will show you later on. If you would like to request me to do that video, I will show you how that's done. So as simple as that, guys. It looks like that. So it comes at the right top bottom here, and it's easy access for wherever the page is being scrolled. It appears at bottom right. I hope that makes sense, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.